Hi children, welcome back to our English class. Today I am going to explain about new lesson, that is Unit 3 A reading. What is the lesson name? Puru the Brave. Puru the Brave. Who is Puru and what is meant by brave? What is our lesson? This is Unit 3 A reading. Puru the Brave. That's our lesson. Puru the Brave. Who was Puru? Who was Puru? Puru was a king of northern India. As we know that in our map, south, how like those are there. So south, east, west, and north, south and north. How like those are. He was king of northern India. Northern India. So why we are talking about him? Why we are talking about him? What was his greatness? Yes, really, he was great person only. In what purpose? In what aspect he was great? In this lesson only, title only. What is that? Brave. What is meant by brave? Who behave like courage. Okay. Who showing their courage. Those people known as. Okay. Who showing their courage. Those people known as brave. Brave people. Brave in the sense courage. So here Puru always with courage only. Okay, he was not feel ashamed to in front of anyone. Stiff, always stiff. And even though they offered something to give to him, he rejected those. He wanted only his kingdom live long with happiness. And brave in the sense, how like showing his courage. Okay, to other kings. Yes. Why we have to read about him? Yes. Can you see the picture, children? Yes. What is here? See, so many are there peoples with their knives. Okay, with their knives and even swords and all these things are there. So, this is your lesson. Okay. So, here you can see. Maybe you can imagine, you can remember that Bahubali. Yes or no? One Bahubali 2 or 1. That there no Bahubali 1 in the middle, how like those are fighting. This is. So it's known as war. What is that? War. Fighting. It's a great fight. War means great fight. Each other or between two teams in the sense two kingdoms. Okay, two kingdoms. So what can you say? What happened here? Two teams means two kingdoms. They fought for something. Actually, why did they fight each other or two kingdoms? They want sovereignty, authority. Okay, they want authority about the other kingdom. That's what. Okay, that's what they were fighting, and they need their wealth. They are wealthy people only. They were wealthy people only. Also, they need more and more. That's what they fought each other. See how like those people with swords fighting. And what do you think? Maybe you are in this war, or what is the reason behind this? Can you say that? Yes, behind the reason? Yes, very good. First, either kingdom or wealth or people, maybe enemy. This king, okay, one kingdoms who are there ruling, no? Okay, ruled by someone who was ruling, those person enemy of other person. That's what enmity also one reason. Wealth. Okay, greedy. Those people are there. How like those people are greedy? So that is also one of the cause like that. Who is Puru now? He was a king of northern India. What do you know about him? Actually he was very brave. He was very brave person. We are talking about and we are reading about him in this particular lesson. Let me read and explain to you. Can we go to lesson? Yes, very good. Yes, children. Yes, this is our lesson. A reading. Read the following drama and answer the questions that follow. What is this? What is this drama? What is mean by drama, children? Drama means it's a acting, one play. Okay, one play acting by so many characters are there in this. Characters in the sense persons. Who are those? Those are known as persons. So here, how many characters are there? Alexander. Who is Alexander here? As we know that, who is Alexander? Alexander, as we know that he was a king of Macedonia. He was a king of Macedonia. What are the characters? First, Alexander, king of Macedonia. Yes, the king of Macedonia who conquered. Conquered means win. Own. So win. Here conquer means win. Who conquered Greece, Persia, these all countries. So here Alexander, king of Macedonia. Why we are talking about Alexander? Battle means two kingdoms or two teams we need, no? So one team, our hero, Puru, the brave. That means that his team. And one more team is Alexander's team. Okay, yes. Like our cricket team. Two opposites. See, one opposite two teams are there. Each other they fought, no? They played actually. Here, war. Alexander, the king of Macedonia, who conquered Greece, Persia, etc. These countries. And Puru, as already I explained to you, Puru is king of northern India. He was king of northern India. Okay, this is about Puru. Now coming to another character. This is second character, dear. So first character Alexander, second character Puru. These characters, not only these. Next, generals also there. First general, second general, third general. Like 4 Greek soldiers. 4 Greek soldiers. Who are soldiers? They fought for the country, no? Those are known as soldiers. Okay. And 4 generals, 6 soldiers. Generals. 4 generals and 6 soldiers. What is mean by general? What is mean by soldiers? Who fought for their country, those are known as soldiers. Our soldiers are there like army. Okay, army. In group in this army there. For the country they fought. Generals means high rank in the soldiers. Who are there though? Those are high rank soldiers. Okay, those are also soldiers. Like see how we are in kingdom, how like king and minister, like ministers only. Those are high rank. They fought for what happened here? These are here army soldiers are there, no? These are officers. So these are only who are group. So group of fighters. Those are group of people who are those like they fought for in this. These are soldiers. These are officers. High rank those are. So here, how many characters are there? One Alexander, one Kuru. Those are main. Those are kings. Those are kings. 4 Greek generals and 6 soldiers. These all are about characters. Yes, coming to our lesson. The camp of Alexander on the banks of the Jhelum. Alexander is sitting on a high chair and his 4 generals are sitting on low chairs. 2 Greek soldiers are standing at the door. Alexander is having a talk with his generals. Here, what is meant by camp? Campaign. Camp. What is meant by camp? Camp means we are going to any trip. We spend a holiday, no? Okay, in holidays, how like we spending in tent? We are make those all those things and everything, and in this place ground. So we spend there. That is camp. Campaign. Even tents also medical camp. Medical practitioners are coming to one place and they are saying that here medical camp you can come and test your health. Like this, no? That is like here camp in the sense war. For the reason war. The camp of Alexander on the banks of Jhelum. Bank means not saving. Bank in the sense that is the river bank. What is mean by bank here? Land. That is the land beside the river. Okay, river. So that is beside a river. Beside a river, the means we don't know. That is beside a river. Here, that is known as bank. Where it is? Bank of the Jhelum. Bank of the Jhelum. What is that river is actually? What is the river? Jhelum. As we know the Satluj, Jhelum, like all these rivers are there, no? Yes, Yamuna, Ganga. So this is small, Jhelum. Yes, the camp of Alexander on the banks of the Jhelum. Alexander is sitting on a high chair and his 4 generals are sitting on a low chair. That means king, how like we sit in the high position, he sat there and those generals are here. Here. Actually king here, that is Alexander, and here generals. Here generals. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here Alexander. Is it clear to you? Yes. Here sitting Alexander and he wants to talk about that war. So generals here sitting there. 2 Greek soldiers are standing at the door. This is a hall, you can say. So this is the stand, means that is the door, opening door. So here 2 ones are here. Door, no? So in this door, these 2 members, soldiers standing here in front of them. So each other they are standing in front of like this. And Alexander is having a talk, means he wanted to talk something. He is having a talk with his generals. So he wanted to talk with these 4 generals. What is that? Alexander. First Alexander character here. He was speaking. So his name first. This is conversation, children. As we know that conversation means more than 2 members. They discuss something that is like dialogue wise. That is known as conversation. Here conversation among Alexander and 4 generals. Alexander, first Alexander saying, the battle of Jhelum will go down in the history of our country. So, how like already here what completed. So that performance, how like that is. The battle of Jhelum will go down in the history of our country. Maybe it will be history. It will be great war. It will be great war. Battle means what? Battle means war. Battle means war. Yes, as we know that, no? But the battle of Jhelum, here river, beside that river bank of the Jhelum, they fought with Puru. That's what did he see? What did he say? That is the war. This is the war. Maybe it's a history. Will go down in the history, because how like that is very very horrible, terrible. See how like it is. We can see first general. Then first general explain. I will go down in the history of India too. Sorry, it will go down. It will go down in the history of India too. Not only in the history of our country. That means Macedonia or these places. Whole India. Who said like this? First general. Here first general is there, no? So he was saying here. He is saying it's not only. He said only country. Total country, history of country. But he said not history, total India. Throughout India. So total India, it go down. Second general said that it will go down in the history of the world. Then second one said that not only country, worldwide. Third general, I have never fought such a battle before. Really, it's very terrible. It's very crucial. It's very critical to us. So, like Alexander, first general, second general, third general said. Then fourth general added more. Fourth general, I haven't either. Really, it's very very tough to us. Until the last moment, I couldn't believe that we would be able to defeat the army of Puru. So, what he decided until last minute, till last minute also, he thought they only won the war. But at last moment, they won the kingdom. Defeat means what? We lost that game. We lost that. Oh, that is lost. Defeat means lost. So, lost the battles. That means we defeated. We would be able to defeat the army of Puru. Puru already, as we know, that brave. No? That's what army of Puru means. Those soldiers, who are those along with Puru, those also fought with very violently and very courageously. Alexander, yes, it has been a great battle. Perhaps the greatest of my life. Really, this one is greatest battle in my life. I must say, every Indian soldier fought like a tiger. How like they fought? Tiger. Here Puru, our tiger. So, I must say, every Indian soldier. So, he was Greece, no? He came from that. So, he was not an Indian, Alexander. That's what he thought, what he said. Every Indian soldier fought like a tiger. First general. They fought like devils, Your Majesty. They were not like tigers. Devils. Because they were not leaving anything. They continuously fighting with us. So, like a devils means powers, bad powers. They have bad powers. Your Majesty in the sense that is a polite addressing. That is a polite addressing to the king. So, first general said like that. Then Alexander, the Indians are good soldiers. As we know that, Indians are good soldiers. So, see how like our Indian greatness. So, even though other country people also, they have to accept this. So, what did he say? The Indians are good soldiers. They know how to fight. They fight better than our men. Men plural. Man singular. So here Alexander accepted that Indian soldiers are very very good and very very better than their soldiers. Who said like that? Alexander. First general. second general. But their generals aren't good as ours. Okay, okay, sir. I accepted you, but what happened here? Okay, I accepted your words, but what happened? Those are very good, but those are not very good as ours. Those are not as good as ours. Okay, those are good, but don't compare with others. Ours are more than good. Ours are more than good, better than them. Who said like that? Second general. And Alexander. If you mean they aren't as brave as the Greek generals, I don't agree with you. So here Alexander asked him, second general, if you mean they aren't as brave as the Greek generals, I don't agree with you. Those are very brave people. Those are fighting like a tigers. So I don't agree with your words. You are saying something. Not like ours you are saying. No. Those are very, very good at fighting. Who said like this? Alexander. Excuse me. Second general. But they aren't very skillful, your highness. Again politely he explained. Okay, sir. Okay. But they aren't good at skillful. Very skillful. That means they were fight. They were fought with others, but not with skillful. Not with skill. Skillful in the sense very very cleverly they were not doing that. That is my opinion, he said. That was his opinion, he said. Alexander, I see. What do you mean? And here I agree with you. I see. What do you mean? And I agree with you. Yes, I agree with you. What is that? What you said, that was correct only. Those are very, very brave people and those were very, very great people and good at fighting, but those were not skillful. Those are not skillful. So time maintaining or how to avoid them, others, like these of them, they don't know. Actually, they failed here in this moment. He said, the Indian generals are still following the old methods of warfare. Their battle plans are faulty and they depend too much upon their elephants. But as fighters, they are wonderful. I have the highest respect for them. Here, Alexander explained to generals what did he say? He said that those are very, very brave people. Those were very, very great people, good at fighting. But what their fault here, what their mistake here, faulty means mistake. Fault means mistake. What is their mistake here? Their mistake was here. What is there? Actually, they are following old methods. They were not updated. Actually, they were not updated. They were always following old methods only. Those elephants, those methods, all like that. But as a human, as a fighters, as a soldier, those are good. Those were good. Third general, I was amazed to see how Puru fought in the battle of Jhelum. Really amazed. Amazed in the sense surprised. Amazed means surprised, shocked. So here, why did he surprise? I was amazed to see how Puru fought in the battle of Jhelum. Really, I was surprised because of Puru. Puru, the king of northern Indian, how did he fight? Really amazed. Fourth general, he continued fight even when others had left the field. I think he killed at least 100 of our men with his sword. So, what fourth general said here? He continued fight. Even though some of them left the field, because of they fear, they frightened anything, they frightened. Because of our men, how like they fought, so they frightened and they left also. Puru did not leave the battlefield, still continue his fighting, and maybe he killed our persons more than 100. More than 100. Who said? Fourth general. Second general. And injured many more. Not only killed, injured. Injured in the sense wounded. So, wounded. That means whenever he with sword doing like this, some of them killed and some of them injured. Injured means hurted. So hurted. He hurted so many. First general, he was badly injured himself. Even though he was badly injured himself means so many our soldiers hurted him. Also he fought. Second general, that's why we were able to capture him. What is meant by capture? Capture means holding, arrest. That means here he was badly injured. Because of that only we able to capture him. Alexander, oh, he is a brave man and a great soldier. I wish he were one of my generals. He were one of my generals. Like our generals only, he fought very nice. He is a brave man and a great soldier. Second general, he is a proud man, your majesty. Politely he is saying, not only brave man and great soldier, he is a proud. Proud means self-respect actually. Okay, this is having self-respect. So those are not bend their head. Those were not bend their head in front of others. Those are not accept their defeat. Okay, those are known as proud people. He is a proud man, your majesty. Second general said. Alexander, a soldier is not as a soldier if he is not a proud. That means whenever he felt self-respect, then only he can do anything for that country. Here a soldier is not a soldier if he is not proud. Whenever he feels proud, then only he is known as soldier. I am not agree with him at all. He was not frightened by the news of my victories and refused to bow before me. So I fought many kingdoms, many kings, though defeated, and I defeated them, and even though they bowed in front of me. But here Puru did not accept that. First general, he will be brought to your majesty soon. Let us see how he behaves. See, I already captured him, no? So I already captured here. So we may take to him in front of you. How like he behave, you can see. Alexander, I am sure he will not behave like a coward. Coward in the sense timid, afraid of everything. Those people known as coward people. Those are fearful. They always feel fear. If they are going to out also, feel fear. Darkness also, fear. Those are known as coward. Here what Alexander saying, I am sure he will not behave like a coward. Really? I am sure about this. Puru the brave. That's what. He is not at all bow his head in front of me, and he is not feel like a behave like a coward. This is about our first part, children. We'll continue next class. This is about Puru and Alexander. What happened and what here Puru said to Alexander, everything we'll see in next part. Okay, children, hope you understand. Thank you.